What's up, YouTube? It's JSock, aka Double Wrench here. Okay. New project car.
It's actually pulling it forward. That's in gear with the parking brake on, but it won't roll back.
What's up, YouTube? This is JSock, aka Double Wrench here. New project. You want to pan the project? 3.4 swap. This side's pretty. First gen 4runner. So, hit a deer in the hill country, but we're getting her straight again. Frame's fine, just a couple bumper brackets. Core support are a little wonky. Getting a new radiator put in it, but it's gonna be worth it.
Still got some deer fur from the accident.
Yep.
Well,
let's get to it. We're at a good checkpoint with the rig. Got the radiator kind of out, but it's a little stuck because it hit a deer, so the core support is bent and the fan's hitting the radiator, the AC is hitting the radiator. Tried to remove the fan, stripped the first nut we touched. So it's going good. We're gonna get the radiator out somehow, and then start manipulating metal. Here we are doing a double wrench radiator install. It's going well. Need more pry bars though.
Should probably explain that this radiator is trash.
Yeah,
that's why it's coming out.
We're actually removing the radiator, not installing it.
Since this is crushed in and we've been sandwiched this whole time, we've removed as much exoskeleton as possible to get wiggle room.
And then once this is out, we can massage the metal a little bit, and then it can actually come. And then the new one can go in more easily.
See that bolt right there?
No.
This one right here.
Yes.
That I'm tapping.
Yes.
That's what's holding me back.
Well, no, also the nipple right on the fan blade, and also the like outlet, the radiator outlet on the fan blade. Yay! It's out. That's why the radiator was leaking. It leaked pretty good.
Right from that.
So I don't know why it leaked, but it did.
What a fucking lame-ass radiator.
Now we can massage
the metal.
The metal.
Hopefully we didn't damage the condenser.
It's boned already.
It doesn't look like it's punctured at the moment.
It's mint. Alright, we got the front pretty straightened out. I don't know if you can see the core support there, how there's a lot of room now. Got the AC condenser good. Gonna test fit the radiator now, the new radiator, and then the bumper and grill after straightening out a bumper mount. Alright, YouTube, here's a little update. Maybe I should invite into the bagel and have to wait like 10 seconds.
No, that adds dramatic effect. I could just sit there with you chewing and just eye contact with the camera and just...
Oh!
Oh no!
There we go, alright. Alright, YouTube. It's the following morning. Took this ratchet strap. Alright, can we redo this takedown? What's up, YouTube? It's the following morning. I've been using this ratchet strap to bend out the grill mounts. They should be like stepped, but they're kind of flush, so I'm working on that. Got to bring this out a little bit. And this light's a little messed up from the previous deer it had hit, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that yet, but I just want to get the grill fitted and then the bumper, which I'm going to have to grind off the old brackets, but once those are back into shape, throw the new bumper on, be good to go. So
man,
that's it. It's running great, so I'm going to assess one issue, which the valve cover gasket leaks on the exhaust manifold. I believe both do, so I'm gonna pop the intake off and take care of that, paint the valve covers nice and black, and yep, that'll be it for now. Gonna throw some mirrors on it. I don't know if you can see through, but the driver mirror is, the glass fell off. I'm gonna put manual hubs on it, and yeah, that's about it for now, I think. Put my GMRS radio in for going to Hidden Falls this weekend, and then pack up, and I should be good to go. So, all right, about 40 minutes later, and valve covers are off. I'm gonna pressure wash and paint them before putting them back on. Also gonna clean this up, and one of the plug wires broke. This one, whatever cylinder that is. So I'm gonna have to get new plug wires, and I wanna just tighten these connections up. Looks like there's been a past leak there, but doesn't look like anything is wet. All in all, this engine looks super good, so I'm stoked about that. I'm gonna get some paint on these suckers and then put it back together with new gaskets. What's up, YouTube? It's a day later. I'm in the beautiful Texas Hill Country. Took the top off of the 4runner, as you can see, and I've been hitting some sick trails at Hidden Falls. Mainly 2 stars, I think a 3-star. This thing, I was hesitant at first. The boys with the Podlock were doing a 3-star because they came here early yesterday and warmed up and stuff. Blew a diff on a 100 series. And, you know, I gotta feel this thing out. I've never wheeled an IFS rig before, but after feeling it out a little bit, I am quite pleased with what this thing's been able to do. There's a Jeep that got up a 3-star. Well, no, it didn't have to winch up. There's a Cherokee that got up a 3-star that I did not go on, but it was like the gnarly part. I think it was a 4-star actually. And this was able to go up another part of another trail that it had to winch up. So that's my barometer for quality. And it's fantastic, it hasn't died or anything. Clutch is a little questionable. The clutch pedal bracket might be cracked, but I'm loving it. I'm not getting much footage of this thing. I get footage for everyone else wheeling, but no one ever gets videos of me. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to post anything this time, especially since we strayed off from the main group. They're doing 5 stars in like a 529 mini truck on 38s. So, oh, let me go through this water without killing it.